Hi! Are you tired of getting up early every day, take the crowded public transport to be on the unloved job? UMO-Finance company will solve your problems. How? Everything is simple. We offer you to become a partner in marketing and receive passive income. There are several types of deposit plans. Let us explain each option in detail. The first type is USD. Depending on the selected deposit, there are Forex, commodities, bonds, index, futures or stock. You will receive charges from 1.4 to 2.8% every 24 hours from the moment of deposits opening from Monday to Friday. The capital is returned at the end of the deposit period. You can invest using such electronic payment system as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Payer, Perfect Money. The plans of Bitcoin and Ethereum have the same profit percentage, but its accrual is charged in cryptocurrency. You invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum. According to the investment sum, you will earn daily from 2.7 to 3.1% for 75 days. Capital is included in the daily profit. The next innovative marketing plan is the offers. We offer you a choice of 3 deposit plans. The traders will receive the profit from each deposit plan at the expense of our leaders' trading strategies. This way, you are guaranteed to get the profit and capital which you invested at the end of the deposit period. Accruals of profits are received every 24 hours from Monday to Friday. Withdrawals from these marketing plans will be available at the end of the deposit period. But that's not all. You can build a career in the UMO-Finance company. The career consists of 10 statuses. Each new status increases the team's return on investment. You need to fulfill 13 conditions in order to move to a new status. When you reach the 8th, 9th or 10th status, the company will give you a bonus for active work. A percentage of the profits from all partners' investments. 2, 4 and 6% of the entire team sales on the 8th, 9th and 10th status, respectively. The company awards leaders on the 9th and 10th status. The leaders get an additional $250,000 and $750,000. Bonuses are paid to the balance of the leaders and will be available for withdrawal to any payment system specified by the partner. The company is developing rapidly. The webinars and conferences for the best partners will be held soon. Our main goal is to provide all partners of the company with a stable income that will help them to become independent and free. Thousands of people have already chosen us. So what are you waiting for?